Alrighty, back at the shop this morning, running around the job sites. Let's go in here and see what's going on here with the ladies at TLC. Cold morning here. Looks like the pond has got a little bit of ice on it. Oh yeah, a little bit of ice. A little bit of ice. Looks like the girls are busy here. Alrighty, let's go back out here and see what's going on here. What's up, Bo?
Morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm well, how are you?
Good, good.
He's recording everyone. Put with the pants on. He's using the GoPro.
Got a special project for you. We'll film it today.
Stand up.
You want to stand up?
Intimidating.
Got a special project from the landing page that we did yesterday. Finished it up early this morning. Started it yesterday. And Richard's got us finished, but I want you to look at it. I'll send you the link. So what we filmed today will be congruent with that page, the landing page. Just some of the things I'll talk about. Wanted to be able to have the same creatives behind it. So I'll send you the link because it's obviously it's material we all have.
Okay.
Make sense?
So this is a landing page that's going to have a video?
Well, no. The landing page got the video. This is my intro where I'm saying, hey, neighbors, hey, homeowners. I'll show you. But I'll send you the link here the minute to ClickFunnels so you can look at it.
Okay.
So you know exactly what you need to overlay, and I'll give it to you so you and Austin have it. Because I'm going to launch it tonight.
Tonight? Tonight's fun. I didn't have anything else going on today.
We started on a Saturday night. Richard finished at 2 o'clock this morning. Sent it to me. He's going to finish it now. We did some tweaks to it, but I'll send it to you. And then Michelle's working on some other stuff. So keep it up. All right. All right.
Okay.
We're going to get to work. See you guys. Come on. Hey, let me have. Out. Thank you. No, no, and no. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh. You good boy. You good boy. All right. Come on, Jessica. Look at these lights. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
Yeah.
Caitlin, you coming? Come on.
Oh, very magical.
The rest of the lights are not on yet. They'll be on in a minute. They'll be on by the time I come around the side. Come on, let's go around here, Chase. Come on. We're going around here. Come on. Come on. Definitely says hello. 120 strands of light in there. This here is multicolor when it comes on in a couple minutes. There it comes. There it comes. Came right on behind us.
Very cute.
Didn't it?
I love the rainbow. It's very pretty. My toes.
No, a minute ago, remember? This wasn't on when we came around here. Now it is. So we still got to do all this yet. Finish this up this week. Probably finish it.
Bulbs burned out too.
Yeah, we'll finish this up on Saturday. This crepe myrtle, 2 dogwoods, these azaleas, that holly. We'll do all this here, and then we'll put garland down here, swag it off. Come on, let's go. Look nice. And then this red, that's on now. That wasn't on.
I turned it on. I don't know if that photocell's going bad or if it's just off.
No, I turned it on this morning. But didn't you turn it off?
Yeah, I reset it, but it's still...
It might just be light because it's coming from the west.
Yeah.
So it's probably just off for a minute.
Bye-bye.
But this red here, if I can get this boy out of my way, this red, we'll still do this. This is the warm candy, because I love this. Looking good, huh? So we got this dogwood to do, that dogwood to do. Yep. Still got to put lights on his head. I don't know if that would work. That'd be like a dead head, wouldn't it?
A little bit.
Dead head. He didn't get the joke. He's still like, high school boy. High school boy. All right, well, we're down here in Annapolis today, working on a shopping center, clock tower place, installing holiday lighting for the shopping center for the management company. We're gonna stop in here and say hello to our guys. On the way to another job, we want to stop in here and see what's going on. Come on with us. We're going to go in here and take a look. Let's go here. What's up, bud? How are you?
Good.
Everything good?
Yeah,
Nobody down here yet?
not yet.
Not yet.
We still got to the all of these branches.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
Yeah.
A lot of work up there, buddy.
The outlet, the
Yeah.
wire have power, so the outlet is better.
Okay. Let's take a look, see what we got. Oh, this is finished?
Yeah, for this is the no have power for the this outlet. Right.
Okay. These are green?
Yeah.
And the trees are all white?
Yeah, right.
Okay, they didn't switch them this year. Okay.
This is this outlet. If you want.
Okay, no power here?
They have power for the outlet is no work.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. You got power up to that. Gotcha.
But this thing is no work.
Okay. Felix, Nordy can pick you up a new one and we'll get that changed out. Okay. What's going on up there, guys? Guys. Ho, 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 ho. How long are you running these lights, Felix? How long these lights you got coming on?
Okay.
All night?
Alright, well, I'll get it figured out. I'll get it done here.
Needs a fixture?
Yeah, one of the FL200s isn't working.
That's odd.
Yeah.
You think it's Julio or?
No, they said he tried a few different bulbs.
Okay.
It's just not coming on, so something.
Why don't you and Gabriel go take care of that? I'll go over towards the shore. Richard Mead, Cape St. Clair. I'll take care of that. You guys take care of getting all those he can get done. I'll go over there to meet Jeff. And then I'll meet you guys back at the shop. Did you guys get all that? Did you get all that sorted out? Came in? UPS?
No. We went back, dropped the check off, and then came right back here.
Okay. When you guys get back later, were you waiting on me later before we leave tonight? Go ahead and get all that organized. Do your warm whites, one stack, candy cane, one, so forth. The top box says the Bob Carr on top. The light box, that's one of the females or males. And the other one's be here probably later today. That came in from the UPS driver. He was backed up against there when I pulled in. He said, man, I got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna put it all off here for you. So okay, we'll organize it later. Then I got some FedEx, it'll be in later this afternoon. It'll be the males or females the other end, and then some C7 markups. So that'll be in probably later by 4 o'clock.
Okay.
So we're gonna try to get done today by 4:30. All right, I'm gonna run up to Jeff. You good?
Yeah.
The guys are gonna run down to Julio. He needs a fixture. He's got something wrong with the brand new fixture, so he's gonna troubleshoot that and or replace it.
I don't know what time the coming to
I don't know. I haven't talked to him. I don't think he'd be too much longer. I would just hang out for him. Have you talked to him on the phone?
Oh yeah.
Okay. I mean, if you feel comfortable changing that out, you can always run down to Home Depot and get what you need if you want to. Alrighty. This job is just about finished. It'll look good down here tonight. We'll run to another job site. And we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.